This is Caden Daddy's new trick. Screaming and body slamming Pooh Bear.
Oh yeah, elbow drop him, right? That's right. Give him the people's elbow.
1, 2.
Give him the people's elbow.
Good job, you got him.
People's elbow, that's right. Ready? Now you do it. Can I get him?
You can't even hold the camera.
Get him. Right, people.
I'm crying and laughing so hard.
Oh. Get him out of the ring. I'll toss him back in. Ready? Get him! Pin him! Ready? People's elbow. Give him the elbow.
What's the good job?
1, 2.
Caden's the winner! Yay! What's the people's elbow?
It's the people's elbow, man. Come on, ready? You want